리안 씨, 배가 많이 아파요? 네, 아까 찬 것을 많이 먹어서 그런 것 같아요.
Rihan, do you have a stomach ache? Yes, I think that's because I ate a lot of cold things earlier. So, naka-highlight dito ay chan. Chan means cold. Okay? From the basic form, chada or chagokta. Okay? Cold. So, an adjective. So, ano yung dinidescribe ng chan? Got. That thing. Okay? Got. Something or thing. Okay? Cold things. Okay? Cold thing. Chan got. Okay? Dinidescribe niya yung noun. So, chan got. Okay? Adjective plus the nun or un plus the noun got. So, dinidescribe ni chan yung got. So, cold things. Cold things. Chan got. Okay? Another example.
누가 지민 씨예요? 저기 키가 작은 사람이에요.
Who is Jimin? He's a short man over there. Okay. So, 작은 사람. Okay, short man. So, short man. Short is an adjective. Right? So, short is an adjective. Man is a noun. So, how do you describe a noun? 작은 사람. Or 키가 작은 사람. Short man. Okay? 저기 키가 작은 사람이에요. Okay? 키가 작은 사람. Another example.
이 근처에 맛있는 식당이 없어요? 서울 식당에 가 보세요. 불고기가 아주 맛있어요.
Is there any good restaurants near here? Go to a Seoul restaurant. The bulgogi is very delicious. The bulgogi is very delicious. Okay, 맛있는. Is there any good restaurants near here? So, ano yung adjective? Good. Okay, yung noun, restaurant. Okay, so dinidescribe yung noun or dinidescribe yung restaurant. So, good restaurant. So, dito naka-highlight. 맛있는 식당이. Okay, 맛있는 식당이. Okay, 맛있 means delicious. Okay, but this time, sa sentence na to is good. Okay, good restaurants, 맛있는 식당. Okay, 맛있는 식당. Now, let's hear the conversation of Rihan and Jihoon.
오늘 점심 메뉴는 삼계탕이네요.
리안 씨, 오늘은 복날이에요. 한국 사람들은 복날에 삼계탕을 먹어요.
정말요? 날씨가 더운데 왜 뜨거운 음식을 먹어요?
여름에 뜨거운 음식을 먹으면 몸이 따뜻해져서 더위를 이길 수 있어요.
그래요? 요즘 저도 너무 더워서 힘이 없었는데 잘 됐네요.
So, today's lunch is samgyetang. 오늘 점심 메뉴는 samgyetang이네요. Rihan, today is one of the hottest day of the year. 오늘은 복날이에요. Koreans eat samgyetang today. 한국 사람들은 볼날에 삼계탕을 먹어요. Koreans eat samgyetang today. So, 볼날, 볼날, 3 hottest sultry days of summer. Okay, so hottest days of summer. 봉날. Okay, samgyetang, you know samgyetang. Really? Why when the weather is hot? 날씨가 더운데 왜 뜨거운 음식을 먹어요? Okay, so why do we eat a hot food when the weather is hot? Okay, 뜨거운 음식, hot foods. Okay, 뜨거운 음식, hot food. So, if you eat hot food in the summer, your body gets warm and you can beat the heat. Okay? 더위를 이길 수 있어요. So, 더위를 이기다 means to beat the heat. Okay? 더위를 이기다. 더위, the heat. Okay? 더위, the heat. 더위를 이기다 means to beat the heat. So, heat means 더위. Really? That sounds good. In fact, due to the hot weather, I've been exhausted lately. Okay? 잘 됐네요. 잘 됐다. That's great. Okay, that's great. That sounds good. That's great. 요즘 저도 너무 더워서 힘이 없는데. 힘이 없다 means to lack in energy. Okay, so due to the hot weather, I've been exhausted lately, or I'm lacking energy lately. Okay? Now let's practice.
사진에 맞는 표현을 보기에서 골라 넣으세요.
Choose the words or expressions from the box that best describe the pictures. So number 1, and here's your choices. The answer is
군 고구마,
건 고구마. Okay, the roasted sweet potato. Number 2, the answer,
팥빙수,
okay, patbingsu. Number 3,
삼계탕,
okay, samgyetang. 4,
찐빵,
찐빵. Number 5,
냉면,
okay, naengmyeon. Means cold buckwheat noodle. Number 6,
호떡,
okay, hotok, a pancake, stuffed with brown sugar. The answer, number 7,
콩국수,
okay, kongguksu, noodles in a cold soybean soup. Number 8,
팥죽,
okay, patchu, or the red bean porridge.
빈칸에 맞는 표현을 보기에서 골라 어를 사용해서 대화를 완성하세요.
Fill in the blanks with the words provided in the box using the 은. Okay, here's your choices. So number 1,
어느 식당에 갈까요? 저기 사람이 블랑 식당에 들어가요.
which restaurant do we go, or do you want to go? The answer,
많은,
okay, 많은 means many, a lot. 저기 사람이 많은 식당에 들어가요. Okay, so there's a lot of people in that restaurant. Number 2,
무슨 음식을 먹을까요? 오늘은 추우니까 블랑 음식을 먹고 싶어요.
what food should we eat? Today is cold. Blank. The answer,
따뜻한,
okay, 따뜻한. 따뜻한. Okay. If today is cold, it's cold today, so I want to eat hot food. 따뜻한. 음식, hot food. Pass number 3.
어디 아파요? 아까 찬 음식을 먹어서 배탈이 났어요.
Hey, where does it hurt? So I had an upset stomach after eating cold food. Okay, cold food. 찬 음식. So